Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's learn with us. So today topic is iOS architecture, how it gonna works, and what is its advantage and disadvantage. All things we gonna see in this video. So let's start it. So what is iOS architecture? So it is a large based. Its communication doesn't occur directly. Okay. So means that as if you see our previous video, you easily know that how ISO work, what is features and all that thing. But here we just a quick recap all the things we see in the previous video. So ISO is simply means operating system which developed for Apple mobile. Okay, Apple or the mobile which is being used by Apple industry. So it is basically nothing. It is a iPhone operating system. Represent here iPhone and OS represent as a operating system. So it is we in our previous video we talk about how it is different from Android and how it works. Here we talk about this architecture. So this architecture is divided into four layer. So first one is application layer, second one is media layer, and third one is core service, and fourth one is core operating service. Okay, so it is a simple uh, basically if you want to just sum up, you can sum up it like in app layer there is a map kit, push kit and event kit. Means there is a mapping between the different software, different functions. Push kit perform the push function. Okay, in it, and event kit just event like event 1, event 2 process. Like you can also say event as a process. Okay, process 1, process 2. So in application layer it do all this thing. There are many more things, but we just take some example because we don't write like 20 or 30 points. Just we want to know just how it works, a simple definition of it. Then there is media layer. Media layer work as a core animation media player. There is core animation, everything which is in iPhone animation goes, everything goes in media layer. And media player on which you play the video, etc., is all together in media layer. Then there is third one is core service. Core service has a core data and cloud kit function as a cloud. And there is an address book in which addresses are being stored, etc., things are there. Then fourth one is core operating system. There is a core Bluetooth, security, local authorization, external accessories and framework. All comes into core operating system. Okay, so this thing is clear. I think so. So this is a iOS iPhone operating system architecture. Okay, so we see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.